GRE Verbal Reasoning, Mastering Sentence Equivalence Tips. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of the GRE's Verbal Reasoning section. One of the unique question types you'll encounter here is the sentence equivalence. These questions may seem tricky at first, but with the right strategies, you can tackle them confidently. Let's get started. Sentence equivalence questions present you with a single sentence, one blank, and 6 answer choices. Your task is to choose 2 options that, when inserted into the blank, give the sentence the same meaning. Sounds simple, right? But the catch is that the 2 correct answers might use different words or phrases to convey that similar meaning. So, understanding the sentence's context is crucial. 1. Predict an answer. Before looking at the answer choices, try to come up with a word of your own that would fit the blank. This helps narrow down your options and prevents you from getting sidetracked by deceptive answer choices. 2. Identify synonym pairs. Since there are 2 correct answers, they'll often be synonyms of each other. If 2 choices aren't synonyms, they can't both be correct. 3. Use sentence clues. The words surrounding the blank are your best allies. They'll give you clues about the blank's tone, positive or negative, and the kind of word you're looking for, a noun, verb, etc. 4. Eliminate and pair. If an answer choice doesn't have a partner among the remaining options, it can't be right. Eliminate choices that don't have a potential synonym among the options. 5. Beware of traps. The GRE loves to include words that seem right but change the sentence's meaning in a subtle way. Always double-check your choices against the sentence to ensure they fit the context. The more you practice sentence equivalence questions, the better you'll become at quickly identifying the context, predicting answers, and spotting synonym pairs. Regular practice also helps in recognizing the traps the GRE might set up for you. So, don't just learn these strategies. Apply them consistently in your practice sessions. And there you have it. With these tips and consistent practice, you're on your way to mastering the sentence equivalence questions on the GRE Verbal Reasoning section. Remember, understanding the context and looking for synonym pairs are your keys to success. Happy studying, and I hope this video proves invaluable in your GRE preparation journey.